Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the best WordPress themes. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future content. WordPress themes are a crucial aspect of building a website, as they affect the overall design and functionality of your site. In this video, we'll cover what to look for in a WordPress theme, our top 5 themes, and some honorable mentions. What to look for in a WordPress theme. Before we dive into our top themes, let's talk about the key features and criteria to consider when choosing a WordPress theme. First, it's important to look for a theme that is responsive, meaning it adapts to different screen sizes and devices. This is essential for ensuring a positive user experience on all devices. Second, you'll want to look for a theme that offers design customization options. This includes the ability to change colors, fonts, layouts, and more. This will allow you to create a unique and personalized site that stands out from the crowd. Third, consider the ease of use of the theme. Is it easy to navigate and set up? Is the documentation helpful? These are important factors to consider, especially if you're new to building websites. Fourth, make sure the theme is compatible with plugins you may want to use, such as e-commerce or SEO plugins. Compatibility will ensure that all the components of your website work together seamlessly. Finally, consider the theme's performance and speed. A slow-loading website can negatively impact user experience and search engine rankings. Top 5 WordPress themes. Now that we've covered what to look for in a WordPress theme, let's get to our top 5 themes. First up is Astra. Astra is a lightweight and customizable theme that offers a variety of starter templates to choose from. It's also compatible with popular page builders like Elementor and Beaver Builder. Next is Divi, which is a versatile theme that comes with its own page builder. Divi offers over 800 pre-made layouts and a visual drag-and-drop interface for easy customization. Third is OceanWP. OceanWP is a free theme that is both responsive and customizable. It's also lightweight and optimized for speed, making it a great choice for performance-focused websites. Fourth is GeneratePress. GeneratePress is a lightweight and fast-loading theme that is compatible with a variety of page builders and plugins. It also offers a range of customization options for design and layout. Finally, there's Avada. Avada is a popular and feature-rich theme that offers a wide range of design customization options, including a visual page builder and pre-made layouts. Honorable mentions. While our top 5 themes are excellent choices, there are many other great themes to consider as well. Some honorable mentions include Enfold, Hestia, The 7, Flotsam, and Neve. Enfold is a flexible and easy-to-use theme with a variety of design options. Hestia is a modern and stylish theme that is also optimized for speed. The 7 is a versatile theme that offers a range of customization options and design elements. Flotsam is a popular e-commerce theme that is optimized for conversions. Finally, Neve is a lightweight and fast-loading theme that offers a range of customization options and is compatible with popular page builders. And that's it. We've covered what to look for in a WordPress theme, our top 5 themes, and some honorable mentions. Remember, the theme you choose will play a crucial role in the design,